Hey, what's cooking, good looking? Welcome to another edition of Cooking with the Duke, hosted by y'all truly, T-Well Mama Duke, aka The Duke. Today we've got a brand new addition to the shack. We got the little cousin of the big Traeger. We got the Traeger Ranger. So we're gonna unbox her, season her up, and we'll do a little cook. Let's do this. Okay. Right, so first we gotta open her up, see what we got inside. This is pretty heavy, so I'm just gonna put her on the floor. Power cable. Right, it's these would be the grates, the grill grates. And what else we got? Oh, I love the coloring in for the kids. That's a great touch from Traeger. We'll put that aside for the girls later. We unbox that power cable. Time to unwrap. This is like Christmas in July. Unwrapping your Christmas present. Barbecue time. Better than Christmas. Oh, this is a beautiful big old unit. Sure got some weight to it. Okay. Just get rid of that. Okay, what's inside? This must be the grill grate. Oh yeah, there it is. Oh yeah, awesome grill grate and the plant. Yeah, that's it, the plancher. Oh man, I can't wait to do some smash burgers on this. That is a nice, thick, heavy-duty blacktop for you to do your cast iron cooking on. Just unwrap the, you don't want to be grilling with this plastic everywhere. Right, so I'm going to put down these slabs on the table just because it's made of plastic. You don't know how hot we're going to be running. Yeah, these get pretty hot, so I just want to make sure we're, you know, safety. Safety first, people. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so there we got the instructions. We got the little tin pot for the catching of the drip tray. And looks like some feet, rubber feet and legs. Okay, put that, yeah, that's it. That's the legs with rubber feet. Great, we'll put that on in a minute. Don't know what's in there, we'll have a look. And this is the drip tray / deflector plate. What else we got in there? We'll have a look inside. There it is. The little fire pot. This is where the pellets will go underneath to get lit and create the heat and the smoke. We'll get that lit in a minute. There are our little drip trays unwrapped and put her in position. Everything's looking fresh in here. Won't be long. Okay, that's good. We'll put the plancher in first because we want to just get everything seasoned today before we start to cook. There you go, sitting correct. And we put the little grill grate on there. Hopper's looking good. Let's open her up. Yeah, we're going to put some pellets in there in a minute. We're almost ready to season. We better put our feet on. You can't go anywhere grilling without any feet. Oh, look at that. A Traeger screwdriver. Perfect for our screw needs. Now we got our leg on there. Just put the rubber sole on. You need a rubber sole if you want to cook with, you want to make soul food. Okay, we're all on there. It's almost time to get her into position. Oh. Perfect. Let's see if we can handle it. Handle that just fine. Okay. Ready to assemble for some seasoning. I think we're pretty much everything put together. Yep. Close her up. Hang the little bucket on the back for your drips. And we better put some pellets in there. We're gonna throw down some hickory today. Love the smell of the Traeger hickory wafting through the air. Okay, so we've plugged her in and powered her up. Now it's time to just set it to temp and ignite. We're going to start off for 100 degrees Celsius just to bring her up to temp. Hit the ignite button. That is how simple it is. We're just going to close her up, let her come up to temperature, and let her ride there for about 15 minutes, and then we'll crank her up to another increment. People, it's been about 15 minutes riding at 100 degrees Celsius. We're gonna crank her up another 50 degrees. There you go. You just press go and it's gonna come up to temperature. Once we hit there, we'll let her ride again for about another 15 and crank her again. Now here's the instruction manual. No self-respecting man would actually ever read this, but for the purposes of this video, I thought we'd just flip through and have a look. It's great, look, there are pictures and words. Perfect for all your assembly needs. That's great. Right, so we're up at temperature. We've been riding there for 15 minutes again, so we're just gonna crank her up to 200. And hit send. Perfect. Once that comes up to 200, we'll let her ride for another 15. And would you believe it? Let's have a little looky. We are doing great today. We better have a look at what our pellets are doing inside there. Smells incredible. I love the hickory smell. Yeah, we're doing pretty good. We've been cooking for just over an hour and we've barely used any pellets. I'm gonna top her up just a little bit. I know you can put a lot more in there, but we're just having fun today. Okay, this is the last crank, people. We're gonna take her to the top. 230. Let's go. Hey, Bobby.
Yeah.
I saw a woman get busted for shoplifting at the DIY store today.
Yeah.
They caught her with a ladder in their stocking. So we've had a pretty good afternoon assembling our Traeger Ranger, getting her up to temp and doing a little bit of seasoning. We're looking good. I mean, I love the Traeger. You don't even have to cook on it to smell good. Beautiful little machine. I can't wait to cook on it. I think we are pretty much ready to roll. I think we better add some more pellets, don't you? I think we're just gonna close her up and let her run for about another 10 more minutes. Just make sure we're fully seasoned in there. There we go, people. We are all done for the day. All we need to do is power off, which you just hold the middle button. It'll flash off and give the countdown. Okay, so that's just about all we got time for today. Thank you very much. I hope this video was helpful. And we'll see you in the next video where we get this cooking. We can take the Traeger Ranger for a little voyage, a maiden voyage. And I can't wait to see you. Let's have a little look. Okay, we're powered down. Okay, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Later, Taters.